Ever wondered what makes a destination truly sexy? What if I told you there's more to travel than just sightseeing? It's about immersing yourself in the unknown, the exhilarating, the downright sexy. Some places hum with an energy, a vibe that speaks to something primal within us. They whisper promises of adventure, romance, and liberation. These aren't your cookie-cutter tourist traps. These destinations throb with life, pulsating with a rhythm that's both intoxicating and addictive. Think sun-drenched beaches where the air crackles with unspoken desires. Imagine vibrant nightclubs where the music moves you in ways you never thought possible. We're talking about places where the food is an experience in itself, a tantalizing dance of flavors that leaves you wanting more. This isn't about chasing some sanitized, picture-perfect fantasy. This is about embracing the raw, the real, the unapologetically sensual. So buckle up. We're about to embark on a journey to some of the world's sexiest destinations, places where inhibitions are shed and memories are made. Get ready to lose yourself in the moment and discover a side of travel you never knew existed. Stay tuned to uncover the world's most tantalizing spots. Picture this: white sand slipping through your fingers, turquoise waters lapping at your feet, and the sun setting in a blaze of glory. This isn't just a beach, it's a siren song calling out to your soul. Places like Ibiza, with its legendary beach parties and hedonistic vibe, are a playground for adults. The air is thick with the scent of salt, sunscreen, and something a little more intoxicating. Then there's Mykonos, the Greek island that practically invented the word chic. Think whitewashed buildings draped in bougainvillea, hidden coves perfect for stealing kisses, and a nightlife scene that's equal parts glamorous and debaucherous. Whether you're sipping cocktails at a beach club or dancing till dawn, Mykonos promises an unforgettable experience. But it's not just about Europe. Head to Tulum, Mexico, where ancient Mayan ruins meet bohemian chic. Imagine practicing yoga on the beach as the sun rises, exploring hidden cenotes, natural sinkholes, and indulging in fresh seafood as you watch the waves crash against the shore. Tulum is the perfect blend of relaxation and adventure, with a touch of magic sprinkled in. These are just a few of the many beach destinations that cater to a more sensual side. Whether you're seeking romance, adventure, or simply a chance to let loose, these coastal havens are sure to ignite your senses. The sun goes down, the music goes up, and the real party begins. Certain cities come alive after dark, their streets pulsing with an energy that's impossible to resist. Berlin, with its underground techno clubs and anything-goes attitude, is a haven for those who like to dance until the break of dawn. Lose yourself in the music, the movement, and the freedom of a city that never sleeps. For a taste of Latin passion, head to Buenos Aires, where the tango reigns supreme. This sultry dance, with its intricate steps and smoldering gazes, is practically a metaphor for the city itself. Get lost in the rhythm of the night, from intimate tango halls to sprawling nightclubs where the party spills out onto the streets. And then there's Tokyo, a city of neon lights, futuristic skyscrapers, and a nightlife scene that's as diverse as it is exhilarating. Explore hidden karaoke bars, sip sake in traditional izakayas, Japanese pubs, or lose yourself in the high-energy world of J-pop clubs. Tokyo is a city that will keep you guessing and wanting more. Food. It's the ultimate aphrodisiac, especially when it's prepared with passion and served in a setting that tantalizes all your senses. Imagine dining under a canopy of stars in Marrakesh, Morocco, the air filled with the scent of spices and the sound of traditional Berber music. Feast on tagine, slow-cooked stews bursting with flavor, and savor the sweetness of mint tea as you watch belly dancers sway to the rhythm of the night. Or perhaps you'd prefer a taste of the Orient in Bangkok, Thailand. Explore bustling street food markets, where the air is thick with the aroma of grilling meats, spicy curries, and sweet mango sticky rice. Pull up a plastic stool, order a plate of pad thai from a street vendor, and let the explosion of flavors transport you to another world. These are just a few examples of how food can be a sensual experience in itself. So ditch the stuffy restaurants and embrace the unexpected. Seek out hidden gems, try new flavors, and let your taste buds guide you on a culinary adventure. Follow iChameleon Explorer for more amazing content like this. Subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more exciting videos coming your way. Support the algorithm.